Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're going to dive into the world of crepes. These thin, delicate pancakes have been a staple in many cultures for centuries, and we're going to share with you the secrets to making the perfect crepe. So, let's get started! Crepes are a versatile and delicious treat that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. They're often served with sweet fillings like Nutella, fresh fruit, or whipped cream, but they can also be savory, stuffed with cheese, vegetables, or meat. The possibilities are endless. To make the perfect crepe, you'll need a few key ingredients. All-purpose flour, eggs, milk, and a pinch of salt are all you need to get started. You'll also need a crepe pan, which is a thin, flat pan that's perfect for making crepes. Now, let's talk about the technique. The key to making a thin, even crepe is to mix your ingredients together well and then pour the batter onto the hot pan. Swirl the pan around to spread the batter evenly, and then cook the crepe until it's golden brown on both sides. Once you've mastered the basic crepe, you can start to experiment with different fillings and toppings. For a sweet treat, try adding some sugar to the batter before cooking. For a savory crepe, add some herbs or spices to the batter, or stuff the crepe with cheese and vegetables. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try making crepes with different types of flour, like buckwheat or almond flour. This can add a unique flavor and texture to your crepes. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first few crepes aren't perfect. With a little patience and practice, you'll be making delicious crepes in no time. Thank you so much for joining us today as we explored the world of crepes. We hope you enjoyed this culinary adventure and that you'll be inspired to try your hand at making crepes yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes and culinary tips. Until next time, happy cooking!